Are you doing your funny run? Are you doing your funny run? You're so silly. Whee! Funny run, funny run! Funny run, funny run! Are you dizzy? Woo! Woo! Go, Cash, go! You're silly. You're a silly, silly little boy. Spin, spin, spin! Ooh, you're gonna get dizzy. What are you doing? Do you want to go get Elijah and go out to eat? Yes? Okay, let's go get him then. Let's go get him. Let's go see where's Miss Summer and we'll go get Elijah and go have lunch. Miss Summer's in the room. Straight ahead. Straight. Go. What's in here? What do you see? There's a ball? Where? What do you see? You want to go outside? Okay, well let's go get Miss Summer and we'll go pick up Elijah and baby Lily and then we'll go have lunch, okay? We're going to walk to the restaurant. We're going to go for a nice walk in the sunshine and go to the restaurant and have lunch. Do you want to eat? Are you hungry? No, you're not hungry? Okay. But you do want to go to a restaurant? Yes, that's what I thought. Okay.